People never reject you, actually. They only reflect to you your own rejection. So if you don't reject something within yourself, you will not send that energy out. I'm rejectable, or this part of me is rejectable. In other words, only things that are suppressed within you will express themselves externally to show you the truth about yourself. So whatever comes is just an information about what's going on inside of you.
Yeah.
That's it. That's how you shape your reality. That's how you shape relationship with people, through inner work.
Mm-hmm.
And if you can fully integrate all the parts of you, all the parts, own them and accept them, I promise you, you will not experience that kind of rejection in your closest surrounding, because you will not have to. It's not something you will have to work on.